Well, hello, partner. My name is Jace, and I was born and raised in Texas, actually. Vamonos? All right, chat. Can you interact with this window? Yes or no? Can you interact with it now?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. There's no way you don't hear that. It's like they're drilling into my skull, dude. What? Request an accent 3 minutes ago from Seahood. May I request the accent of a Makita DR masonry drill, please? You got it. All right. Drill accent. Howdy, partner. My name's Jason. I'm a drill. Vamonos! Yeah, how do you like it? Howdy, partner. My name's Jason. It's my drill impression. I really like my characters, and I really enjoy working on my characters, and I think I need to pay attention to that. I need to pay attention to the fact that I like making characters, and that I think I have an eye for making characters. Maybe, right? Obviously, I'm still very, very new to art, and I'm not that great at it. But when it comes to environment stuff, my dude, I haven't yet truly enjoyed the process of making it, and I haven't been truly happy with basically anything I've made. And so, like, I don't know, maybe that's something that I should pay attention to. Jace, maybe this is not for you, you know? Maybe. Or maybe I just need to practice more, but I'm just going to be aware of that. Re-recordings, but not mixed. Yeah, that's a difficult thing. It's so weird. Like, if I record something, and I really love doing voice acting stuff, like every time someone gives me some voice acting, I just jump on that immediately. But every time if I ever record anything, I'm fucking stun locked. You know what? It gives a fuck what I was trying to say. I don't even remember. Oh yeah, now I remember. So like whenever I try and say something, I record. Fuck. Okay. Whenever I try and I'm done. Thanks for stream. Okay, here we go. Chat, we're going in. You guys want anything? You guys want anything? We're in the shop. We're in the shop. Look at all this stuff. What is that? What is that in there? There's an Amogus. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, we got some shit. I'm gonna pick this up. Got it. Now we're gonna run out of here before they... Back to the city. Oh my god. Can you believe it? Oh my god. Incredible. Amazing. This is the City Girl. It's the artist who does the music. Pretty cool art. Fixed it. Dexath made it better. Thanks, Dexath. Helps a lot. Random, though I know it helps with motivation. Thanks for streaming. Enjoyed watching Satisfactory vids and considering I started using Godot a while ago. This is good stuff for me personally. Jolly Yule, Happy New Year. Glad your dream is blossoming. Thank you very much, Spectre. Much appreciated. Thanks for the comment. All about that artistic license. Fuck you, dude. I'm referring to the person. Fuck you, dude. I'm not telling. Spectre. Fuck you. Toxic streamer. Oh, TikTok, motherfuckers. I'm coming for you. I'm walking in every direction. Okay, so starving expression. Looks like I'm eating shit right now. Still show some of the bottom building. I took that approach before, but it doesn't make any sense. It's very weird for like this door to be there and then it just cuts off. It's like really weird. So that's why I'm going with like the void right now, because this is probably a little bit more typical. There might need to be something done about it. Yeah, but in this case it covers, so yeah. But it's not necessarily just other characters that you need to see. It could just be like doors and stuff. Like it should just be that like we open up the street and you can see the street. That's the kind of thing that like it could even be that if you're anywhere on this street at all, this entire thing goes away. I'm not sure, but it's okay for now. This was something that I was a little bit worried about because this is like not something that top-down favors, right? Just by definition, like tall buildings doesn't really make sense in this thing. So I kind of just wanted to see what it was like. And so for now, I think this is fine and allows me to continue the level design. And maybe I'll iterate on this later if need be. But there's many things that need to be iterated on. After creating this, I was like, all right, I'm not worried anymore. Not really. Like, not that this is the final implementation of it, but I'm not really super worried anymore. And I saw some other games that do something kind of like it, or, you know, that like they would hide things, like mostly hide things. So like 90% of it is hidden. So you can still see your character, but I don't really like that either, because then you get this random noise. Right? So you can still see like that there's a building in front, but now you get all this like weird noise on the level, which I'm not a huge fan of. Howdy partner, my name's Snut and I'm a community manager at Coffee Stain Studios. Satisfactory coming out soon, Bob-a-dov. Update 1 million coming right at you. Vamonos. Check out the patch notes, everyone. Questions.satisfactorygame.com. Vamonos. Thank God Jason's gone. Taco time. All right, here we go. Look, unlocked. All right, if we go down here, no quest marker on him. Talk to him. I'm hungry. All right, so now it's in progress. So it's gray because it's like you don't really need to speak to him anymore. You've already got the quest, right? And then if I get some takoyaki and I'm buying it, there's no feedback. Bought some takoyaki. It should still be gray. If I buy one more, it's gonna be green. Oh, look at that. And when I speak to him, it should go away. Yes. And now when I see the other guy, it should be orange. Yes. And then it should go gray. Oh. And then get 2 potions from the store. 1, 2. And then it should be green. Oh. Finished all my quests. Feels good, man. Look at that. Not bad. Not bad if I do say so myself. Howdy partner, my name's Jason. I'm fluent in Morse code. Here we go. Boop, 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 boop. It doesn't matter, let's just get it to work, because a lot of this shit's gonna change later anyway. So now I wanna open it. Okay, so this is good. And I have no quests. Okay, talk to this guy. Now I have a quest. I still have no items. Let's get an item, guys. I got potions. Oh! Potions! All right, so if we finish this quest, we'll get 3 exclamation marks and 1 check. We already have 1 exclamation mark. We should have like 12 takoyaki balls in the inventory now. All right, they don't have a thing. And interesting that this is pushing that, but okay. Now, I think there's going to be a weird thing here. Yeah, so now it's going to say 0, so it doesn't delete what's there. And this may actually still be fine, depending on how I end up doing the inventory in the end. But yeah, we'll sort of see, I guess. Inventory. Smashed it. Bam. Huh. Goes in the done section. Get out of here. This is done too. Did that the other day. Holy shit, what a stream. Okay. The plot thickens. Now, I want to just do some dirty shit. Don't clip that. But I want to do some dirty shit.
A few moments later.
Oh no. Oh, this is what complained. Oh no. Fucking genius. Sometimes I surprise myself with how genius I can be. It's just truly, truly incredible how one man can fit so much cranium into one skull. Other times, I've got Schrodinger's brain. Sometimes it's like all the brain in the universe, and sometimes there's actually nothing there at all. Literally air. So it's unlocked now. I should be able to walk through. Oh, look at fucking first try. Oh, shit. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Skip cutscene. We're back. Today, we did doors. We have support for doors now. They can open when you walk near them. They can teleport you to other levels. You can run interact functions. Basically, what that means is that you just run events, can play cutscenes, do whatever you need to do, add items to your inventory, whatever you need. Buy potions, so we can do that when we interact with the doors. This doesn't have a level on it anymore, but if it did, we'd be teleporting to another level. There we are. Testing. We fixed a collision with chat issue. There was, so as you can see that we have multiple floors, right? Right here, we're underneath this. And then we go over, now we're on top and we have collision with this, right? Which means that if you're on a higher floor, you shouldn't collide with things that are lower than you, and vice versa, of course. And we had an issue where chat on the other level, we could collide with each other even though we're on different floors, but that got diagnosed and solved. Experimenting with level design, multi-layers, and buildings in the way, and we did that. So we had this ramp before, but we didn't have this segment going up and behind this building, right? So I wanted to see how do these walkways play with buildings? And if we, walk behind it, can we still hide the building? Can we still see the walkway? Does it jet out in front? What happens if we're, underneath the walkway and we go behind the building? Does that play pretty nicely? Right now, okay, if I correct the collisions, it will. Still not sure what we'll do about these walkways disappearing just yet, but that's interesting. Okay, so that was done. Oh yeah, this was massive. This is hard to explain, but this was massive. So right now, if you guys see, we have a tile map, or tile set, which is the city, right? This is all the pieces of the city. And we use these pieces to paint into the city, the level, right? And baked into this tile set is a lot of different kinds of information. There's information, for example, it's draw order, like the Z index, the Y sort data. We've also got things like collision in there. Like some things have collision on it, some things don't, right? So the tile sets have all this stuff. The important thing here to note is collision. Now collision can happen on different layers, and because of all these different levels and ramps and stuff that I'm doing, being able to have collision on different layers is very, very important. Now the collision layer can only be set on the tile set level. And we have different tile maps. Each tile map uses different tile sets. So the bottom floor has a tile map for the first floor. The second floor has a tile map for the second floor, right? So we can hide the second floor and show the second floor. Hide the first floor, show the first floor, right? Unfortunately, because the tile sets store their collision at the flags, the levels, the layers on the tile set level, that means all tile maps, first floor and second floor, derive from the same tile set, which means they must always have the same collision. And it's not straightforward at all, maybe not really feasible even, to differentiate that. So what I had to do before was create two different tile sets, one for floor 1, one for floor 2. And then I would change the different collision flags. Now that works okay, but it's a problem because every time I update a tile set, I have to make the same changes in the other tile set, and it's really, really easy for those two to fall out of sync, and it's also a waste of time and frustrating. So we did some crazy code so that when the level loads, instead, we pull from one tile map, this one here, we take its tile set, we make a duplicate, we mess with the collision flags, and then we apply that to the other one. And this scales up to however many floors we have, and we only ever need one tile set now. So that's incredibly convoluted and confusing to explain, but it was also a convoluted and confusing thing to fucking deal with. But we did solve that as well, so that was huge. So this makes multiple floors much more scalable for me from now on. The workflow is much easier, and yeah, great. We did some improvements or rejected some stuff for level layers on ramps. I think we tried hiding the floors if you're not on it, and then when you walk up the ramp, show the floor. Didn't like the way that looked, so we implemented that and then deleted it. Yeah, and I think that was what we did today, so that was pretty good. Not bad at all. Good stuff. Hell yeah.